So as you can see, I am in an exit row, so I have nothing in front of me, so I don't have a display, which means I can't watch TV. And honestly, most planes, sometimes domestic flights, won't have anything. And that's where these bad boys come in, because since they're AR, you can just put them on, and then you mirror whatever device it is. So in my case, I have my phone right here, so I could put on a YouTube video, for instance, put these on, and you can't tell right now, but I am watching a YouTube video. I am in fact watching one of my YouTube videos. Who would have thought? I'm literally wearing a Batman mask, but I'm enjoying 4K YouTube content. And it doesn't just have to be YouTube videos. You could stream something on Netflix, you could watch movies, TV shows, cartoons, whatever it is you like. You can even browse the web. Anything that you could do on your phone, you basically see here, and it enhances it in like a 3D space. But I also want to test it for some other things, because apparently this is good for Google Maps integration. And then after that, I want to do a different type of entertainment. There's still 2 more tests to run on this, but so far, so good.